Okay, so you guys can't make fun of me, but I actually have a bag full of animal heads. Chocolate animal heads. For some reason, I keep the head. I rip off their heads and put it in this bag, and I have a bag of chocolate animal heads. I have 2 of them. I have a bear and a rabbit. Trophies of my destruction. I bite off their head and I put it in here and I keep it. Like, look, I'll take the bear out. Hear this? That's his head. Oh, he's so happy to it. I'm gonna eat off his ear. Why did I do this? I really don't like candy. Oh.